Welcome back. This is the next in our series of short videos entitled Quick Tips and Tricks in GTS Plus. This one is all about custom data lists. In this video, we're going to show you why you want to build a custom data list, how to build a custom data list, and how to save a custom data list. And you'll see why at the end, why that's important. So let's get right into our data right here. We've already shown you how to log into your account and how to connect to the vehicle, so we're going to skip over those steps for this particular video. What we're going to do is we're simply going to click on the ECU that we'd like to look at the data from. In this case, it's going to be our engine ECM. We're going to go up to the upper left-hand corner and select the data list. Now remember, the data list defaults to primary data. That might not have all of the items on it that we're looking for. So we're going to switch it over to all data. Now, here's the first reason for wanting to build a custom data list. When we bring all data up, take a look at the sampling rate. That's how fast this data parameter list changes or gets refreshed. It is massive. It's up to a second. In some cases, it could be 3 seconds. So by building a custom data list, we can shorten up that refresh rate. Simply by clicking on several of the items behind me right here, what we can do is we can go through using the icon in the bottom left corner of the screen down there, we can create a custom data list. With my parameters in a custom data list, look at our refresh rate. Wow, that's fast. We can switch between our data list and our custom data list simply by using that pull-up menu in the bottom left-hand corner. Let's look at a second way to make a custom data list. Let's bring up all data again so we can start from the same place. We're going to utilize our Data Manager tab, which is this little icon with the gear in it down here. When you click on that, it's going to bring up a screen that looks very familiar. It's almost like right out of TechStream. We're going to build our custom data list over here using parameters from our all data list over there. Select the ones you want. No, don't hit the double arrow. Instead, hit the single arrow to transfer all those to your custom data list. Once they're there, simply hit OK, and now we have our super fast, again, custom data list, and it's accessible within the drop-down menu over there on the left-hand side. You'll see that we can access our all data list, we can access our custom data list. There's a problem with this. That list will not be there the next time you log into this TechStream unit. So here's our tip for the day. When you build a custom data list that you really like, make sure you save it and give it a unique name. That is the only way it will return through different login sessions on GTS Plus. So we gave ours engine number 2 to make it easy to find in our list. Once we click OK and save that, if we go down to our data list pop-up menu, we'll be able to see that yes, all data is still there. Our custom data list is there, and now the named data list is there as well. So here's our all data. We go back in, you'll see that we have our custom data, and we also have our engine number 2 data. So again, if you want to be able to reuse a custom data list through multiple different vehicles, through different logins, make sure you save it first. That's been another one of our helpful tips and tricks in GTS Plus. Join us next time where we start looking at stored data, how to store data, how to retrieve the data, and where the heck is that data stored. We'll show you a couple of little tips and tricks on stored data. So come on back. We'll see you next time.